Hello everyone, just a quick intro into today's video. This is based on the video that I published 2 days ago, a stroke shot you need to know. Now I showed 2 shots within that video, but there were a lot of questions that I had within the comments section, and I wanted to clarify a few things. So what I did is I went ahead and shot new video, and I edited that one and added some material. So you're going to want to see that. So without further ado, let's get into it. For us to reach that higher level of play, we must master these shots. I will be breaking down 2 shots in slow motion so that you can understand the physics of this powerful shot and how to execute it. The key to these shots is understanding how to manipulate the outbound angle off the cushion once we draw the cue ball. This first shot requires center draw. Now let's shoot the shot again, but this time let's add an elephant ball. Here we can see the stripe, how it just comes straight back. And this is due to the fact that we are hitting center draw. Based on this same shot, let's take a look at the advanced technique. Here, the 8 ball is all the way up table against the cushion, and we have to use draw with a touch of left English to change the outbound angle of the cue ball off the cushion to gain shape on the 8. My suggestion is to practice these shots and notice how I've got the tip position locator just barely off center. If you draw this cue ball with too much side spin, you could easily go into that corner pocket for a scratch. Now let's slow it down and take a look at the stripe on the elephant ball. Note how it wobbles because I'm hitting about a half tip off to the left side of my cue ball. This left side spin imparts running spin on the cue ball, which propels it up table towards the 8. A great way to think about this is think about a car tire as it spins on ice and then grabs the pavement. In this case, it's grabbing the cushion and the cue ball gets propelled up table. Here's another cool perspective of one of my drag cars. Notice how my wrinkle wall slick is biting the track as it propels the car forward. The same thing occurs here when our cue ball contacts the cushion. And here's a super slow-mo of that look where the cue ball spins into the cushion, grabbing it. The interesting part here is that we don't need a lot of side spin to bring that cue ball to the cushion and then jet it up to that 8 ball. I love these 240 frame per second slow motion views because we can learn so much about the physics of these shots. And if you're still struggling with understanding how spin affects the outbound angle of the cue ball, let's take a look at 2 shots where I simulate the cue ball coming back to the cushion. Notice here it's angle in, angle out because we're drawing the cue ball with center ball. Now I'm going to reset the shot for the 8 ball that is up table, and I'm going to add some left spin. This left spin changes the outbound angle off the cushion and sends the cue ball up table for the 8. I've been really wanting to share this powerful tool so that you guys could add this to your arsenal. Once learned, you'll recognize these shots when they come up during a game situation. Without a doubt, this one shot has saved me many times so I could continue my run out. If you found this video to be helpful, please share this video as it helps my channel. And hit like, as that also helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please leave your thoughts on this video within the comments section. And if you'd like to see another informative video, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.